Hello my YouTube friends, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Penny Hango. You are welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this makeup look. So yeah, I'm not a professional makeup artist, so I just want to show you how I do my makeup. So every time when I do my makeup, I just watch YouTube videos and I just follow what people are doing, you know. So yeah, and I feel like I'm actually improving every day. I feel like I look so good. I'm sure you agree with me. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just watch this video until the end. I will appreciate that. So yeah, if you also haven't subscribed, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get started. So first, before I start, I make sure that I moisturize my lips, and then I take the primer and I just apply that on my face. And then after that, I just apply the setting powder right after I apply the primer, because my face is very oily and I don't want my face to be shiny after I apply the white foundation. And then I start brushing my eyebrows. I don't have to do much on my eyebrows, and then I just follow the shape of my eyebrows by applying eyebrow liner. So yeah, I do that for like 10 seconds, and then after that I apply the foundation. So you can see that I didn't really do a lot of my eyebrows because I also don't really know how to do anything on my eyebrows. So yeah, I apply the foundation, and then when I applied it, I blend it for even 3 minutes. Yeah, I have to make sure it's really blended on my face. So after applying the foundation, I just apply the powder. And now it's time to do my eyeshadow. So first, before that, I apply concealer. I feel like in this video I applied a lot of concealer on my right eye, so I was just trying to blend that because it was a lot. So yeah, I do that on both sides. And then I take concealer again and I apply that under my eyes. So I do that on both sides, and then I also apply that on my nose, and then my forehead, and on my chin. And then after that, I just blend the concealer. So I use the sponge, and this also kind of takes long, so it takes like 2 minutes. So yeah. And then after that, I take a dry sponge and then I apply the setting powder. So I just apply it on areas where I applied the concealer. So that doesn't take long. I just blend in the concealer that time. So yeah, I do that for like 2 minutes. No, not even 2 minutes. I do that for like a minute. It doesn't take long because I just blend it in at that time. So now it's time to apply the eyeshadow, and this is the most challenging part for me. You can even see that in the video. So first I start with applying the dark colors. So in this video I tried applying the dark brown eyeshadow. So I just apply that and around my eyes, and I do that on both sides. So yeah, I have to do it on both sides. And then I just try to blend it in, and I do it slowly so I don't mess up. So again I apply concealer, because after this I'll apply a lighter foundation. But before applying the lighter foundation, I try to blend in the concealer. So after that, I take a darker eyeshadow. So it should be darker than the first one. Sometimes I even use the black one. So I try to blend it in with the first one, and I just do that on both eyes. And this one, it kind of takes time, so sometimes I do it slowly so I just don't mess up, because if I do, then I have to start over with everything. And then here I use the lighter eyeshadow, so it should be lighter than the first two. Yeah, and I just try to blend it in a bit. This doesn't really take long, so yeah, I didn't like this. So I wanted something that is a bit glowy, so I decided to use the gold eyeshadow.
So the next thing that I do is contour my nose. This is also a bit challenging for me, and then my cheeks and also just around my edges. So I also try to put the gold foundation right under my eyebrows. So now it's time for eyeliner. So I use the liquid eyeliner before I put on my lashes, and this is a bit difficult for me. I have to do it very slowly so I don't mess up, because if I do, I have to redo the eyeshadow again. Okay, so these are my lashes. I have used them before, and I got these lashes from Shein. Okay, so I put on my lashes, and I had to do this off camera because it was very difficult for me. Now it's just time for me to put on the highlighter. So I put that on my cheeks and then my nose. So after that, I take the black eyeshadow and then I just apply it under my eyes so that they will be more white. So I have to be very careful when I do this, because I have to make sure that the eyeshadow doesn't go in my eyes. So yeah, I do that on both sides, and I just do it slowly. I usually use a black eyeliner, but I don't have a black eyeliner, so I also used the same eyeshadow as lip liner. So before I apply anything on my lips, I use the lip liner. So in this video, I'm using the same black eyeshadow that I use for my eyes. So after that, I apply a bit of pink lipstick. Yeah, so I don't like lipstick, and then I apply the lip gloss, and this is the final step of my makeup. So okay guys, we are finally done. I don't want you guys to see my cornrows. I do my own cornrows, and those ones are very old. I love how I did my eyeshadow. It looks good, and I think I did a good job this time. So you guys should tell me in the comments. Please let me know what you think about my eyeshadow. I think I did a good job. So yeah, I just wear my wig cap, and then I wear the wig, and yeah, this is the final look. I'm sure you saw that in the beginning.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'm also waiting for your comments. If there is anything that I didn't do right or you want me to know about, just let me know. We are here to help each other. Okay guys, I'm waiting for your comments. See you in my next video.